coming out of the top part.
It's coming out of the top part.
We're gonna put probably a good old 90 on there. I mean a T on that bitch. T, cut it down like this. Have our pressure tank. You can sit it over there or over here. No,
Yeah, either way.
yeah, but that's our next step. Get about this big. Right about there. Perfect. Right. Good old jungle nails. Got my mark popping.
Jungle nail.
She didn't want to go. Alright, a little heat on that thing. Coming up out the pipe. Coming in here. Alright, so which way do we want to go actually? We might want to go like this. Set this somewhere safe. I don't got no other buckets. Alright, so if we go up like this, we can have our outlet line like this.
Watch yourself.
Our pressure line over here. Our line going to the house. We still don't know which one's good. Probably this one. This looks like the right one going to the house. So, boom. What do we need? Should be a check right there. Check right there. So that's gonna be a fucking problem. No check right. No problem. So if we go here, scoot her down. I have a tank over here. Going out here. We'll be good. We're in good shape. We'll have to shoot it over there. Over back there. Alright, bet. A little bit of heat. Shit, we get that heat. Alright. Get that good old. Should be able to. Too hot, too loud. Hold on, I'm still coming with it. I just didn't want to catch this little shack on fire.
Okay.
Okay, I see.
I see.
I knew you would like that, girl.
It got it on camera.